We started our journey with a question. Could we create a means of transport that is sustainable, fast, quiet, and needs almost no infrastructure? We soon figured the answer has been there the whole time. The seaplane has been there since the dawn of aviation and is a wonderful piece of human ingenuity. But today, the solutions are based on old technology. We love old aircraft, but sometimes you clearly see the drawbacks. They are noisy, bulky, inefficient aircraft built of metal that corrode in salt water. Instead of noisy combustion engines, we have developed our own quiet electric drivetrain. Instead of metal, we deal solely with carbon fiber composites that will never corrode and are stronger than steel. Instead of bulky shapes, we introduce state-of-the-art aerodynamic shapes and airfoils to make really fast and efficient aircraft. We do not have to interfere with our landscape, and we don't have to pollute to travel anymore. We believe in a world where we can connect, and not only in innovative digital ways, but also physically through new green mobility. In 2019, we have taken a big leap forward. We have started testing crucial technology in the air and on the water that proves that we can scale up and turn this vision into reality. We are a small team, driven by passion. We have many obstacles in front of us, but we wish to say that we are ready and we are looking forward to solving all the challenges.